Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the adapter supports Bluetooth audio for gaming. Xbox uses its controller USB/audio path, so compatibility matters. Once done, plug the adapter into the Xbox Series S controller or USB port, depending on the adapter type, and power it up. Make sure nearby phones and laptops have Bluetooth off to prevent interference. Put your headset into pairing mode now, because timing matters. The adapter searches briefly after power on, and you want both devices discoverable at the Next, go to your Xbox settings to ensure audio routes correctly. Navigate Profile and System, then Settings, then Devices and Connections to check audio options. If your adapter supports controller pass-through, press the adapter's pairing button and follow any controller LED prompts. Some require holding the controller pairing for a few seconds. Because the console can prioritize USB audio, choose the adapter under audio output if prompted. If you see no sound, toggle the Xbox controller off and on to force a fresh connection. To finish, test in a party or game to verify mic and game audio separation and adjust chat/game balance in audio settings. You want low latency and clear voice transmission. If you experience dropout or lag, update the adapter or headset firmware, because manufacturers often fix Xbox-specific issues. Finally, if pairing fails, forget the adapter on any device, power cycle the controller and adapter, and repeat pairing. This clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn connections quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.